If you understand English, but your mouth sometimes just doesn't move fast enough to say what you want, or if you feel a little bit shy when you try to speak, then today's practice is absolutely for you.
That's right. Today, you will not only listen to English, you will speak it actively, and you're going to speak it with us, which is pretty cool if I do say so myself.
Exactly. No more just listening passively. We're going to help you activate your English and build that real-life confidence, especially when you're meeting someone new, which can be a little intimidating, right?
Oh, absolutely. Even for native speakers sometimes. But with our help, you'll be able to introduce yourself, ask questions, and keep a conversation going like a pro, or at least like someone who knows what they're doing.
I love that, Adam! So, welcome back to Learn English with us. This is episode 8 of our English Shadowing Practice series. I'm Sara.
And I'm Adam. We're super excited you're here. Today's topic is all about feeling confident when you meet someone new. It's a skill you'll use all the time.
It truly is. So, how are we going to practice today? Well, it's called shadowing. It means you listen to us, then you immediately repeat what we say, like an echo.
Yeah, exactly like an echo. When Sara or I say a sentence, we'll leave a short pause. That's your moment to speak. You'll copy our pronunciation, our rhythm, and even our intonation.
Yes, really try to sound like us. Don't just focus on the words. Focus on the sound of the words, how they connect, how our voice goes up and down. This trains your mouth and brain to work together naturally.
It's not about being perfect from the start. It's about getting comfortable, making those muscles in your mouth stronger, and building confidence bit by bit. Just jump in and give it a try.
Absolutely. Okay, let's start with some quick warm-up sentences. Simple, friendly phrases to get your voice ready. Remember, listen, then repeat in the pause.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Nice to see you.
It's nice to see you.
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, I'm feeling really good.
Are you ready to practice?
Are you ready to practice?
Great job with those. Now, let's dive into our main topic, meeting someone new. We'll start with round 1, which is slow and clear. Focus on every sound.
Take your time with this round. Really try to match our rhythm. Imagine you're actually saying these words to someone. Here we go.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Sara.
My name is Adam. What's your name?
What's your name?
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, it's a real pleasure to meet you.
How are you doing today?
So, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
I'm doing really great, thank you.
Where are you from?
So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
I'm from right here.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh, that's really interesting.
What do you do?
And what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
I'm a podcaster.
That's a cool job.
Yeah, that's a really cool job.
Are you enjoying the event?
Are you enjoying the event so far?
It's my first time here.
This is actually my first time here too.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
It was great talking to you.
It was really great talking to you.
I hope to see you again.
I really hope to see you again soon.
Take care.
Yeah, you take care.
All right, how did that feel? You're doing great. That was round 1, slow and clear. Now we're moving on to round 2, natural speed. Don't worry if it feels a little faster, just keep trying to match us.
Yeah, don't overthink it. Let's get those words flowing a bit more smoothly. The goal here is rhythm and fluency, like a real conversation. Ready?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey there, nice to meet you. My name's Sara. What's yours?
I'm Adam, and you are?
It's a pleasure to finally meet you.
It's a true pleasure to finally meet you.
How are you doing today?
So, how's your day going?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking.
I'm doing great, thanks.
Where are you originally from?
Where are you originally from?
I'm from a small town near Toronto.
I'm from a tiny little village in the mountains.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Oh, that sounds really lovely.
What do you do for work?
What do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm a freelance writer.
I work in digital marketing.
That's super interesting.
Oh, that's super interesting.
Have you been to this place before?
Have you been to this coffee shop before?
No, it's my first time.
Nope, first time for me.
I've heard great things about it.
Yeah, I've heard some pretty great things.
So, what brings you here today?
So, what brings you out here today?
Just enjoying the atmosphere.
Just wanted to grab a coffee.
It was really nice chatting with you.
Yeah, it was really nice chatting with you too.
I hope we meet again soon.
I hope we run into each other again soon.
All right, bye for now.
All right, bye for now. Fantastic work with round 2. That was a bit quicker, but you kept up, right? You're doing awesome. Now for round 3, real conversation style.
This round, we're going to make it sound even more natural. The phrases might flow a bit more, almost like a real back and forth. Still, listen for that pause and jump in. Hey there, how's it going?
Hey there, how's it going?
It's going well, thanks. I'm Sara, by the way.
It's going well, thanks. I'm Adam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Adam. What a lovely event this is.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah, what a lovely event this is, isn't it?
It really is. Have you been here before?
It really is. Have you been to this place before?
No, it's my first time. I'm really enjoying it, though.
No, it's my first time too, but I'm really enjoying it.
Me too. So what brings you here today?
Yeah, me too. So what brings you out today?
Just thought I'd check out the new art exhibit.
Just here for the networking part, honestly.
Oh, cool. Are you an artist then?
Oh, cool. So you're like an art critic?
No, not really. Just enjoy looking at art.
No, not really. I just really enjoy good food.
I totally get that. Well, it was genuinely great meeting you.
I totally get that. Well, it was genuinely great meeting you too.
You too. Hope to bump into you again sometime.
You too. Hope to bump into you again sometime soon.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. Wow, you crushed those 3 rounds. You can really feel the difference between the slow and the natural speed, right? It's all about training those mouth muscles. Totally. Now, let's try something a little different. A mini dialogue practice. Sara and I will perform a short conversation, and then we'll give you a chance to repeat the whole thing, or practice one side if you like.
All right, so listen carefully to our full mini dialogue first. Adam, you ready?
Ready when you are, Sara. Hi, I'm Adam. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Adam. I'm Sara. Lovely to finally meet you.
You too. So, what brings you to this exhibition?
Oh, I'm just here to see the new collection. I love modern art.
That's great. It was a pleasure talking to you, Sara.
You too, Adam. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Okay, that was our mini dialogue. Now your turn. We'll say each line and you repeat. Try to embody the person saying it.
Imagine you're Adam first, then you're Sara. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Adam. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Adam. I'm Sara. Lovely to finally meet you.
You too. So, what brings you to this exhibition?
Oh, I'm just here to see the new collection. I love modern art.
That's great. It was a pleasure talking to you, Sara.
You too, Adam. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Excellent. That was super dynamic. You're really getting the hang of it.
Yeah, you're not just repeating words now. You're performing them. That's a huge step for confidence. Let's do a faster, more natural practice round. This is about quick reflexes.
Exactly. Ready for some rapid fire? Keep that energy up.
Hey there.
Hey there.
What's up?
What's up?
How's your day?
How's your day?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you do?
What do you do?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
That's cool.
Oh, that's cool.
It was great talking.
It was great talking.
See you around.
See you around.
Woohoo! You survived the speed round. Give yourself a high five. You really did it. That's a lot of active speaking.
Seriously. And you know what? Every single time you open your mouth and make those English sounds, you're building confidence. It might not feel like it after one session, but trust us, it adds up.
It absolutely does. Think about how much you've already practiced today. You've trained your ears, your mouth, and your brain to work together in English. That's huge progress.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. The most important thing is that you're trying, you're putting yourself out there, and you're speaking. That's what true confidence is all about.
Exactly. So, what did we cover today? We practiced introducing ourselves, asking about someone's origin and job, and polite ways to end a conversation. All those crucial real-life phrases for meeting new people.
From, "Hi, nice to meet you," to, "It was great talking to you," you've got a whole toolbox of expressions now. Remember to keep using them. Practice makes progress, not perfection.
You are well on your way to speaking English confidently, especially when meeting new people. Keep practicing this episode, come back to it, and challenge yourself to speak even more clearly and naturally each time.
Your English speaking muscles are getting stronger every day you practice with us. Keep that amazing energy up and never stop trying to improve. You got this.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today on Learn English with Us. We absolutely loved having you here.
Yes, thank you. Before you go, please comment below, "I practiced today," and then share just one sentence from this episode that you learned or really liked. We love to see your progress.
And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more shadowing practice, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next episode.
We'll see you in the next one. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep that English confidence shining bright. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.